test this. Okay, audio sounds good. But I need to test the chat here because seems to be an issue with the Twitch side. All right. Let's see. Yes. Okay, nice. The Twitch side's working. What about here on YouTube side? Okay. Both are working. Wait a minute. Is it? All right. It's the microphone is a bit too. All right. Test. Oh wait, it's clipping. Test. 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 The. Still clipping. Okay, there you go. Need to reduce it a bit more. Oh. There you go. Should be good enough there. Hi there, Sabi Dalma. Welcome to stream. All right. Everything is set here. Oh, hold on. I need to set up my fan because it's hot. Well, it's not that hot because this is morning, but it usually like gets sweaty here in my room. So I better have the fan on. All right. I think everything is set here. So I can start the stream now. Oh, wait. I need to check Discord first. And let's increase this a bit more. Right. Okay. Much better now. Don't have to like speak directly to the microphone. That I could just speak normally like this. All right. All right. That's that. So let's start the stream. There we go. There we go. Oh wait, forgot to enable the name display again. There you go. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, that's strange. I don't see the chat there on YouTube, but I can clearly see it on the streamer bot here. So yeah, hey there, Kamike and Kimberly. Welcome to the stream. Hey man, my chat is already hidden on people's stream. I hope I'm wrong. Yeah, for some reason it doesn't show on YouTube Studio here. It only shows on the streamer bot chat. I don't know. Maybe you got like banned by YouTube for some reason. Like your chat is not showing directly on YouTube, but it's still there on the YouTube chat. It's picked up by streamer bot. Yeah, well, it's invisible, but yeah, glad you can see me. Maybe I am banned or something. Yeah, which is really weird. Yeah, kind of like those shadow ban thing. I think it's like a controversy currently that some creators on YouTube got their like not completely banned, like blocked from the platform, but their videos doesn't get like the amount of views they usually getting, because like the algorithm like blacklisted them or like not recommending them to people. So yeah, typical YouTube stuff. Good thing I'm not full-time content creator. Otherwise, my work will be screwed. Hey, Resident Bercast, welcome to the stream. What? Yeah, shadow band lol. Well, at least I can still see your chat here on the stream. But I will need to check on the streamer bot instead of the YouTube Studio. But yeah, anyway, hey there, welcome to another stream. Today I will be, well, you read the title. I will work on the backroom hazmat character again. I still have no idea what to properly call this. Right now, I just call this Backroom Operative, because if I remember, it's not just one entity that is like where these like hazmat people come from. But I don't know. I'm not really into the backrooms lore, so I don't really know. Anyway, let's start the work then. Let me open Blender first. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, wait. I just renamed the folder there, so it's not visible here. So I need to find it manually. Here we go. Okay, now I can open the overlay here, and there we go. Or you are a patient person. Rigging is hard. Yeah, though not really. As long as you like put the work on like learning and like experimenting, it can you can learn rigging. Especially for me, because rigging is like the thing that interests me the most. Kind of like solving puzzles, you know? Like when you pick up a Rubik's puzzle for the first time, don't understand how it works, but trying to solve it, like rotating one side and the other side, trying to get at least one side full. That's how rigging feels like for me. It's like solving puzzles. Like, how can I rig this character so it can be like moved around? You still have like the flexibility and freedom to do whatever pose you want, but also do it in like the most elegant and easy way possible. It's kind of like that. But you never showed us how to use your rig components. So I figured I can just press Ctrl L and combine the rigs, but they're always detached from the mesh. Yeah, I really want to continue the tutorial series for an rig, but it's just that, I don't know. I have a lot of things in my mind right now. So yeah, maybe someday. I was thinking about doing like a live tutorial. That way I don't have to like record myself to make like one video, so that I could just live and work on it. Because the problem is that uh, every time I try to record something, I always get anxious, and when I make a single mistake, I have to like redo the whole recording. So yeah, this became like this loop of I try to record, I made a mistake, I redo record, and then after a while I made another mistake, I record again, and so on. So yeah, that's also why I really like doing streaming instead of making videos. I mean, originally I wanted to be like a typical YouTuber, you know, making videos, making like, yeah, video content. But yeah, because of that problem, it like hampers me from trying to make any videos. But when I try to do streaming, it's a lot more rewarding or something like that, where it feels much more easy to do, as I could just do things directly and not worry about them. If I made a mistake, well, it is what it is. Just continue going. Yeah. I want to learn to rig so I can make better animations. Plus, rigging hair and cloths is not for me. Maybe dumping track or something like that to have it bounce while retaining the ability to animate in the flow myself. I know how you feel. I haven't animated in 2 weeks. My anxiety kills me. Yeah, streaming helps. Hey there, Kanims. Welcome to the stream. This will take something that I am Max. Actually, the style here are what is it? I do take inspiration from what I am Max for like the design. For the texture here, actually this is one of the good skin texture that I found, so I just use this. But yeah, I am the I am one is also became like the reference for this character. So I try to make it a bit different, obviously, because I don't want to do like a one-to-one copy. But yeah. Hey there, Flexi Bridges. Welcome to the stream. Anyway, let's start rigging then. I already got the rig imported here. So what I'm gonna do now is just to prepare it. So let's start with setting up the position here. So let's start with the arm. Select that, and that. Let's focus on that. All right, snap there. There we go. And then this one, if I remember, should be like here. Yeah. And then since I don't need the other fingers, I just need the stiff one. I will remove this one here. Delete that. Then remove unused. And let's organize this. Wait. Oh wait, this is the form. So I think that's the form. This one is mechanical. Remove unused. There we go. All right. Should I do it now? Nah. Do it later. Let's just set up the rig position first. Next, the leg. So this one. There we go. And then snap there, there we go. All right. Oops. Next is the torso. Oh, wait a minute. That's the lattice. Okay, it's bottom there. I originally want to just use the rig preset here to rig, but I think it would be better if I make a custom one, just to make it simpler, because the rig preset one has a lot of stuff. If I use that, we'll need to remove some of the features, and I don't know, just want to make the rig nice and clean. Okay, let's see. We got all of this set here. Oh yeah, I forgot the head. So snap there, and there we go. Okay, got that set up. Oh right, also need to set the lattice here. And then what else? Oh yeah, the leg. There we go. All right. So what should I do now? Let's start building this. Let's join. Oh wait. The first thing I should do is to add the wrist, because because right now the arm doesn't have any like bones for the wrist. Usually there's like bendy bone here, or if you use spline, then there's spline. But now there's isn't. So I'm going to add that. Let me open the. Oh wait, this one's. I don't need that, but I might need this. So like that, and where's the finger up there? Okay, internal bendy bones. Bendy. Let me read chat here. Quick question. Do you have a stream maybe showing how to use lattice and how to control them with the bone? Well, I can show it here if you want. I'm also rigging MC rig. First time doing this style, but turns out solid. Nice. Would love to see the result. Yes, it's cool, but the fact that you're using components is pretty cool. I need to watch. Maybe you will show me things. Stress me, I guess. So the rig components is basically its own rig here. Like the arm here is basically just the arm rig. The reason I set it up like this is so I don't have to rig everything from scratch. So if I need an arm rig, I could just import the arm rig here from my assets and then adjust it depending on the model. And after that, merge it to the main rig. That saves time with rigging because I don't have to make it from scratch. I don't know what else to say. There's something I want to say, but I don't know. I just forgot it. All right then. Oh wait, I think I do need the reference here, just so I don't mess up. Where is it? Hmm. Oh, oh, all right. So you were showing me the lattice thing. Yeah. Okay. For lattice, it's simple to use. It's basically like using a mesh, like rigging a mesh. But the thing you need to remember is that to make the lattice deform well, you need to make sure that it is like a bit bigger than the mesh you want to deform it with. That way it will like properly deform it, because if you make the lattice smaller than the mesh, it won't deform well. So you need to make sure to encapsulate the mesh with the lattice. So in this case, I just extend this like 1 pixel here, and then you can just rig it like usual. So there's not really much of a difference here. Another thing you need to like keep in mind is the interpolation here. Depending on how you want the mesh to deform following the lattice, you can set this to linear or the other setting here. I usually use either linear or B-spline, depending if I want to make it like follow it. What is it? Not hardly. Like if you want to make oh wait, this is a lot. If you want to make like a hard deformation, like let's lattice. Depending if you want to make it form sharply like this or smooth like this one here. Okay, anyway, before I forgot, I better continue working on this. I need the middle. There we go. And snap there. Let's set this to be bone. 0.2. Oh, 0.02. There we go. Duplicate. Make this smaller. 0.5. Double the size. There we go. Parent this here, and then stretch to there. Set this to 3, and then the handles to tangent. What is it? 1, 2. Okay. So bone 1, bone 2. Gonna call this BDY arm dot wrist dot body dot L. This one will be the head. This one will be the tail. All right, now I parent this to the forearm, and this one to the wrist. There you go. Now if I rotate this, the belly bone, well, bends. Oh yeah, before I add the, maybe I could just do it right now. Let's join this. There we go. And then here, I'm gonna make a duplicate. 0.5. Let's call this. Oh wait, it's MCH now. Forgot. MCH finger root. Let's move this to mechanical. Fingers mechanical. And then this will have the armature modifier. Relation none. Okay, good. Set this to arm. And then this will be the wrist bendy body. Here we go. Now this bone follows the formation of the bone here, like so. Then, if I remember from my setup, I could just parent the finger root to the buffer, but without the scale, because the scale will inherit from the wrist. All right. So, oh wait, like this. So select this, keep offset, and then change the inherit scale to none. Let's hide this again. Oh wait. Select this, Control Shift C. Wait, not stretch to. Control Shift C. Copy scale. And okay, it's just direct. Let's make it local. Yeah, local. All right. This way, the finger here won't get the form, not the form. It's like squish when you move the wrist here. Let's add the name here. Okay, let's set up the rig here just to test, quick test. So upper arm, take all of this, and then forearm. And lastly, the wrist, the bendy bone one. There you go. All right. Now if this, there you go. And then let's test the wrist. Nice. Okay, this seems to work. Now I better test this with the actual measure from the character. So this one, lattice. Oh wait, I forgot to include lattice. Put it here, and then here. Let's put it there, and then lattice here. We'll worry about this later. But for now, I want to see the formation. Nice. There seems to be a limit though. If I move it too much there, it will flip. So something to keep in mind. Yeah. But other than that, it seems to be working just fine here. All right. And what about the fingers? All right, working just fine. Okay, I think the arm is set here. Let's scale this a bit. All right, the arm is set. Let's go to the leg next. So make sure to Take all of this. Oh yeah, mate. Don't forget to save incremental in case Blender decided to to crash. Because for some reason, sometimes Blender crash, Blender 5.2 like to crash whenever I go to material mode, especially with older projects. I'm guessing it's because of the new change with the shader. Like if I remember, they added new settings and stuff for like the principal BSDF. Maybe that's why older files sometimes crash. Well, not sometimes, they always crash. Certain files, not all of my files, but yeah, like when I go to the material view, suddenly just crash Blender. So I'm guessing it has something to do with that. Okay, let me rechat here. Nothing new. It's 4:27 a.m. If I sleep, I will watch the VOD later. Alrighty. Right now it's 9:33, and I'm actually feeling a bit sleepy right now. Well then, let's just continue this, and hopefully I manage to finish at least setting up the rig before I return to slumber. Wait, there you go. I think I could just hide this. Wait, no. Oh wait, yes I can. Oh wait, no. I'm conflicted. Okay, snap there, and then here, bendy bones, bendy. There you go. All right. Snap there. B-bone. 0.02. This will be 0.05 times 2. I really like this Blender feature here, where instead of having to like type the exact value you want, you could just use mathematical expression to set the value. So if I want to make double of this value, I could just add asterisk and then 2, and it will set this to double of the amount there. So that's a really cool feature of Blender here. I don't know if other software have these features like Cinema 4D or Maya. If you could like use mathematical expressions to set the value of things. But yeah, let's parent this here. Stretch to, and then set this to 3, handles to tangent. 1, 2. Parent this to the ankle. This to the shin. This one will be BDY dash leg ankle dot body dot L. This will be the head. This will be the tail. All right, nice. Before I do anything else, let's join this. Snap it there. Snap it there. And then this one is to this side here. There we go. Oh wait, I forgot to about that one as well. Snap there. And then where is it? There we go. This should be parented to number 1. And then number 4, this one should be parented here. Then this one also parented here. And let's it's a test. There you go. Oh, there you go. Nice. All right, now let's set up the lattice here. 1, 2, 3. The tie should be this one. And then shin here. And then ankle here. There we go. Okay, I better add armature here on this one. There we go. All right. Lattice. Put it there. Put it there. And then this one here. Okay, it should be armature first. Armature. And then where is it? Ankle. Because I want the front part here to stay the same. Well, let's say same. Follow the armature instead of the lattice. So we'll add this and then assign all of this part here. And then this one will be lattice. Assign there. And then lattice. That is to lattice. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. Lattice. Put it on top there. Set it to lattice. And then set this there. Well, this one set here. Nice. There we go. Though I think this part here should be assigned while this one is removed. There we go. Nice. Okay, I think this one is set. Damn, I'm really sleepy right now. Okay, let me take a bit of a break here. Maybe I'm just like too anxious here. So let me chill a bit. All right, feeling a bit better now. Let's continue. This one, let's set this to the torso there. So I already have that. So here I just need to add the lattice. Oh yeah, I forgot to add the Oh, it's because of this part here. There we go. For some reason when I use the where is it? The where is it? The select sharp edge, it doesn't select this part here. So I always need to select this manually. All right. Let's give this a test. Nice. Also, I hope you don't mind, but I will be silenced here and just lock in on the rigging here. Maybe that way it will help me from, I don't know, feeling tired. Also, the PNGtuber software just crashed again. I need to. Actually, it shouldn't be a problem here because I will be silent here. Anyway, let's continue. Oh, wait a minute. Ah, I just forgot to add the our collection here. There you go. All right, I should do the same to the raw one. Okay, I think everything is set here. I think I can start building the main rig here. For that, I need to remove armature link here, just to be safe. No, I still have the keyframe here. All right. Oh, before this, before I continue, there's one more thing I need to. Another thing I need to do. I need to check the where is it? The MCSM rig, because it seems like there's a bug or some kind. Oh, there you go. Blender just crash. Oh, I will have to restart this. And it crashed again. What's the cause of this here? I have no idea. Exception of access. Exception access violation. Like a buffer overfloating, maybe? The access memory that it shouldn't. Well, let's just close for now. I wonder if it's the like blend file or the actual rig here that caused the problem. So I need to import this. The MCSM. There we go. And before we continue, I might as well check on the okay, don't see any issue here. Shading. Oh, yep. It's definitely the shader or something. Close. Interesting. Okay. Let me give this a try. CSM. If I replace the principal BSDF with a new one, will that fix it? But of course, I need to do this on solid view here, otherwise it will crash again. So shader editor, and then let's just use this to preview the materials. Principal BSDF. There it goes. Make sure the specular are the same. Like that. Orange center. Principal PSDF. Oh. Alright. This one is a bit tricky here, but no, actually I could just remove this. Principal PSDF. Specular. Okay. Two more. All right. I think that's all here. There's this, but I could just remove that. All right, let's see. Will it still crash Blender? Oh, wow. Nice. All right. So the problem is definitely something to do with the principal BSDF. That means I will have to update all of the materials on all of my assets if I don't want Blender to crash again. All right, I need to write this down on my note. Where is it? Update Enric MCSM. There you go. Update Enric and Enric MCSM, principal BSDF to avoid crash bug. All right, I need to reply the Discord as well then. Hey, it seems like the problem that I saw on the Discord post have something to do when you switch appearance. Hey, there you go. I need to investigate this a bit more. But at least from this test here, it seems like the problem can be fixed by just replacing the principal PSDF with a new one. Alright then. With that settled, let's continue with the hazmat character here. Oh, backroom operative. Forgot what I originally called it. Mm. Oh, wait. That's the wrong one. Should be the arm first. There you go. Right. Oh. Oh, what? Why is it duplicate there for some reason? All right. Hey. Bendy bone seems good. No problem. Oh. Okay, don't need the neck, so we just remove that. Okay, this should be it here. Let's reorganize this. All right. Now I can assign this again. Rename this was. Oh, right. I'll just still use the original name. Wait, I think E. All right. Okay, I better use reference here. Forearm. All right. As good as it has. Nice. But nice. Oh, oh wow. Oh, right. This I forgot this because no. Oh, it's because this should be .r. And same with this one as well. Change this to the right side. There we go. Okay, this might be an issue here, so I will have to fix it. Let's make a save increment and then change this to FK. Oh, wait, it's because it should be on ankle. There we go. Still not optimal. What's the cost here? Maybe. Ah, there we go. Now it's easier to diagnose here. There we go. A bit better. So it makes it a bit inconsistent here. Okay, a bit better now. I wonder what happened if I set this to minus. Not bad. All right. I don't want to redo that, so I'll just mirror this. All right, nice. Hey there, Chan Studio. Welcome to the stream. Oh, right, I forgot my PNGTuber software still crashed. All right, test. Nice. My neck, my back as well. Yeah. Oh, right. Forgot. This one doesn't have the setting, so better add that. Ender, how do you learn to be such a good rigging artist at first? Well, oh, hey there, Jar. Welcome to stream. Well, about that, well, I'm just playing around with rigging. There's not much that I do uh for how I learn about rigging. I mainly just breaking apart other people's rig and learn how it works from the inside. From that, I then experiment with making rigs, and yeah. Sorry, I can't really what is it? Yeah, can't really reply well right now because I'm a bit tired. But I really want to finish this, at least the main rig first, so just gonna do that. But yeah, for me, I just work on projects. That's why I have I mean, if you check my art station, for example, let me open it here. Art station, and then my profile. Let's open this on Firefox. Like if you check my ArtStation profile here, as you can see, I have a bunch of stuff here that I made. And this is how I learn to rig. Well, not just rig, but also how to model and make renders, is to basically work on projects. So if you want to like become good at rigging, well, you make projects that has something to do with rigging. Like maybe you have like a character you want to make. Well, you make it. You like maybe you can use other people's artwork as like reference. So don't make like a one-to-one copy unless you like have permissions or something like that, or it's like for fan art, something like that, or like claim it on your own. But yeah, try to learn from others, like how they make like their work, and then try to do that on your own. And yeah, I mean, my rig is not like my own inventions. It's actually based on the information I gain from learning how other people's rig work. Like one of the blog posts I made. Uh, where is it? This one here. Like this one here. I credited this to Darth Lalo because that's where I get the inspiration for the system I implement here. So yeah. I hope it makes sense. I'm very drowsy right now. Oh, I understand, yeah. Good. Good to hear. Hey there, Fasty Truth. Welcome to stream. Does this rigging allow curve bending on the arm and leg without ruining details on the arm and leg? I'm beginning to learn more rigging myself. Nice. You mean which one here? You mean this one here with the lattice? Yeah, with the lattice system is much easier to set up. Like as you can see here, the model is quite detailed here with the additional like bulging here and then like shape here. With lattice and deform well without breaking it. Though it will still break depending on how you push the rig. Right? For example, here. Where is it? There you go. I think it's better if I focus here. If I like bend this too much, there you go, it clipped. So there is a limitation, but for the most part, there is no problem. As long as you like keep in mind on the limits there. Okay, what else should I work on before I end the stream? By the way, how long have I been streaming? 1.5 hours. Huh. Okay then. That should be enough. Oh, okay, I think I can add the drivers for this one. Oh yeah, and finger rotation as well. Okay. Let me think. Okay. Let's add the custom properties first and then work on drivers. Ready. Okay. Good thing is that I already made a script for this, so I don't have to manually add the custom properties one by one and copying the names and such from my rig and my other rig. Instead, I could just use where is it? There you go, the generator here. Let's see, Arm types. Oh, this is main setting. I don't need arm types. Don't need finger. Don't need the neck. I need that one though. Wrist lock. I already have that one. Same with IK switch. Finger rotation. No need for stretch. No need this one. Facial properties. Oh wait, this one. I don't need this one. Though, let me check. Okay, I definitely need this one though. Oh, this should already be on that one, so I don't need this. Same with this one. So I will just need to make another one of this, but change this to R. There you go. Okay. Okay, that should be it. And now let's generate. And it should be, there you go. Finger rotation, and it's using enums. And with this one, with rotation, I kept keep on override. Alright. Let's work on the finger rotation first here. Okay. Static bone. Okay, this one I will definitely need to copy from my other rig. Static transform RY. Add driver. Okay, I should use this then. Copy as new driver. Case driver. And then scripted expression. Oh, wait. That's the wrong one. There you go. And then let's copy this again. Paste it here. One if finger rotations equal 1 else 0. This one will be 2. This one will be 3. There you go. Now let's give this a test. Back, right, front. Nice. No issue there. All right. Copy this and this as well. All right, that should be it. Let's get the test. Back, back, right, front. Nice. Oh wait, this should be left there. There you go. Back, left, front. Nice. Right. Yeah. Okay, definitely need to get some rest soon. Oh, my arm is aching. Okay, just one more thing. Well, a few more things actually. This part here. I need to add drivers on all of this. Alright then. Add driver. Okay, this will be the wait, what's it? This is thumb.mdl x rotation local space. There you go. Wait a minute. Does this require the setup? Oh yeah, it is. So in that case, I could just copy this one. What is it? Thumb.md. Right. It's gotta be a boring thing to do, so I'm just gonna be quiet here. Oh, my ears itching. All right, there we go. There we go. That's one side done. Oh, but for that I need to do this. All right, one side done. Just need to copy this to the other side. Oh wait, no. I will still need to do some change here because this one's mirror. There you go. Okay, I need to do the same with this one as well then. All right, that should be it. Let's give this a test. Nice. Alrighty, that should be it here. All of this is set. Okay, maybe I can work on this. I need to add another setting here. Boolean. Copy that, and then here, paste it there. 0 if harness equals 1, else 1. There you go. And I also need to add the driver here as well, but reverse the value here. That way, when I disable this, the shape key for the dent here is disabled. Just a small visual change. Okay, besides that, I don't think there's anything else here I could work on. Well, besides this, the IKFK bone override. So let's copy this new driver. One if KK1 override equals 1 else 0. Yep, it is on. Okay. And then I will have to copy data path, edit driver, add the new one, rig, I should copy this from my other rig. There you go. Okay, I should disable this so I can see the change. Right, there you go. Let's give this test. Okay, that should be it there. Okay, anything else? Nope. Well, one more thing actually that I can do. All right. Uh, oh wait, I forgot about that one. There you go. The bones are all colored. I don't need this anymore because this one is already have color. All right, I think that's about it here. So what I should do next is to merge the head here with the main rig here, as well as add some additional custom rig, like the one for the hood here, as well as the gas mask here, because just like the one from AM, also want this to be like adjustable so you can create like expressions, but that's for later. For now, I'm gonna end the stream here. Anybody in chat? No. And let's see. Okay, right now is 1 hour 46 minutes. So it should be enough here for me. Alright then. I'm gonna end the stream here for today. Thank you so much for everyone who joined the stream, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.